Personality dressing styles. That is the topic today of this video. So I'm Imogen Lamport from Inside Out Style and welcome to this. So today I have got 3 questions that people have sent in about personality dressing styles and doing my personality dressing style quiz, which is a quick little quiz. It can help you understand what is at the core of your style, but it doesn't tell you everything about your style. And I'm going to talk more about this in a moment. My first question comes from Catherine, who says, I took the personality test and received the relaxed style answer. I would not wear most of what is shown in the style, nor would I wear most of those colours. I'm perplexed. Please help. So the thing with the quiz is it finds out what is at your core. And the reality is with each of the personality dressing styles, there is a really broad range of possible potential clothes you could wear. What is the pictures in the images and the pictures afterwards are just a very few examples. So you may have a style that relates to that, but you may do it in a very different way. There is no one right way of doing it. So I've just chosen some things that represent relaxed, but I could never put all the options that are available into any one document or any one quiz. So this is why you might think, oh, I don't relate to those particular garments, but you may still be that style. And it could be the essence of the style, how you approach that style, that you want things. If you're relaxed, for example, it might be about comfort is a big driver. Now, what you find comfortable is not necessarily what the next person finds comfortable. So some people are, I only wear natural fibers, and other people are, I don't iron. And some people are, it has to be able to stretch and move, and other people are, it has to be really, really practical, or very utilitarian. So none of these is the one right way. They are all different expressions of the same thing. And so this is why there's no possible way I could get enough pictures that show every single option that would be satisfactory for anybody. Plus 2 is color is just one aspect of expressing that part of style. So just because you may have maybe at your core, the relaxed style may be at your core, it may not be how you express your colors. It may not be the colors you wear. You may not like those particular styles, or you don't want to do it from head to toe. And this is because we are all a combination of the personality styles. None of us are just one thing. My quiz just tells you what's at your core, what you kind of really have to have. So when you do it, there'll be something in there that if you've picked those answers in whatever you come out at, there'll be something in there that's important to you, but it's not everything. You have a variety of different personality, traits, which means that you will have actually selected things from more than one of the categories. It's just you only get the answers for the one that you scored the highest on. Now, you may have, had, 5 of one and 4 of another. So you're going to get the answer for the one that you ticked 5 of, even though the one that you ticked 4 of is very, very dominant as well. And that could be why you're feeling that it doesn't really fit you. But it's because it's something that's important to you, but it's not everything. And I think that's the thing to remember. So, the thing with personality is personality tells us the colors, the styles, the shapes, the silhouettes, the kinds of fabrics, the kinds of construction, how we put outfits together, our accessories, the jewelry, the shoes, all those things come down to personality, the scale of things. There are just so many aspects that personality drives what we do and don't like to wear. But there are a million expressions within each of these personality styles. There's a million different expressions. And so there's no possible way I could picture them all out there, which is why you may have, you might struggle with the images, or you might think that they don't fit you. But if you read through the report and take a highlighter and note down, what are the bits that you do like? Maybe it's just about the comfort if you're relaxed. Maybe it's about, something else in there. Maybe it's about the silhouette, or maybe it's about, the kinds of fabrics. There may be something in there. It's just you're going to put all your other layers on there that'll make it your style.